So guys, every time we log into a trader's terminal, we see a message like this. Okay. So this message is rather recent. There was a study done by SEBI which found that most of the traders who trade actively, they lose money, especially in futures and options. So the intent behind this message is very good. It just wants to create awareness among traders, the risks involved in trading in futures and options and trading in general. But every time I look at this message, I feel a little bit disappointed. I feel that something is missing in this messaging, and it's almost like, somebody is, let's say, preparing for UPSC exam, and every time they open their book in the morning, the first thing that they have to read is that the success rate of the UPSC selection is only 0.2%. Or somebody, let's say, is preparing for IIT, every morning they wake up, first thing that they are forced to read, by the way, is that the success rate of IIT selection is very, very low. So what this kind of messaging does is basically brings the negative aspect of the issue rather than educating people about what is really that needs to be done. That's the first thing. My second problem with this kind of approach is that it says that 9 out of 10 people are losing money, but it doesn't say why. Right? It doesn't say that why, and it also doesn't say that this 9 out of 10 need not be true. So if trading is a zero-sum game and let's say 90% of people are losing money, then can we not improve that number to, let's say, 80% or 70% or even 50%, right? So 50% of people are losing money, 50% of people are making money. Can we not improve these numbers? So anyway, so that has been my objection with this whole thing. It's almost like, discouraging people from pursuing something rather than educating them. So this is basically where we started thinking that, okay, what are the things that we can do to make life easier for a trader? So we came to the realization that there are two specific areas where people are struggling, right? So number one, people are struggling with trading in futures and options. And number two, they are struggling on an intraday basis. Okay. So if there is a way by which we can help people take a smaller loss on an intraday basis in futures and options, then these stats can be improved. So I will take an example. So right here, there are these trades that are going on for this particular expiry. As you can see, there are a number of trades out there and they're all for intraday basis. There are a lot of things that can go wrong. Right? There are a lot of things that you can see right now here. I'm sitting on a profit of 80,000 rupees, but what if suddenly the market turns and this 80,000 rupee profit goes to a loss? I can struggle with my emotions management, right? I can struggle with risk management. I can make silly mistakes like by not placing a stop loss order, or let's say placing wrong kind of a stop loss order, or I can get into some emotional issues like revenge trading or taking much bigger position size that I should be taking. So these are the things that people are all struggling with today, right? That is the real problem that we have to address. So given this realization that this is the problem that we have to solve, we came up with the idea of Buzzer. So Buzzer is India's first risk management tool, which is designed to help you manage your emotions more effectively. Okay. So this is how it works. Buzzer gives you the ability to create rules beforehand. So there are multiple rules here. As you can see, the rules of taking a maximum loss per day, rules for not doing over trading, rules for making sure that every position that you take has a stop loss, rules for making sure that all the pending orders that you don't need anymore get cancelled, rules for making sure that you're not engaging in revenge trading, right? So there are so many different things that you can define beforehand. And once you do that, all you have to do is that turn on Buzzer in the morning before you start trading. And once you start trading, Buzzer will continuously check your positions to make sure that you are not deviating from the rules. And at any point of time, if you deviate from these rules, Buzzer will give you an immediate notification, something like this, saying that, boss, please get back to normal. Don't make further mistakes. So guys, that is the alerting functionality of Buzzer, right? Which alerts you in case you deviate from the rules. Now, Buzzer is not just an alerting application. It is also an analytics application. So right now we only have the alerting functionality, but over the next couple of months, we are planning to add several analytic features through which you can slice and dice your trading information to figure out what is working for you, what is not working for you, where are the areas where you are weak, where are the areas where you are strong, what are the things that you can do to improve your trading profitability, right? So they want to give you all that insights by analyzing your trading behavior so that you can improve your trading efficiency and hopefully become more profitable. So there are a lot of things about Buzzer that I want to talk about, but right now I just want to say that get started with this tool. It's a free tool, absolutely free tool. And we had discussions with several brokers. We got approval from all the major brokers, including Zerodha, to provide this application for free. Zerodha, in fact, waived off the 2,000 rupees per user charge because they saw the value of this particular tool. So I'm thankful to their team for giving us that concession. So it's a great tool. All the brokers are pitching in to make sure that you guys manage your risk better. So I will keep making more videos about the functionalities of Buzzer as and when we keep adding. But as of now, I will just say that, go ahead, start with this. And if you're struggling to use Buzzer, or if you have any questions about Buzzer, there is a feedback system where you can just, give us feedback about what is going on. And then my team will get back to you, and then we will take care of all those issues in time. Okay. So hopefully you guys are going to give us more feedback, and we will make this application even richer, more powerful, and eventually help you guys become more profitable.